he a no for me. I don't think there was nothing wrong with her asking was he getting her a gift. Like, I'm like that. When it comes to my children gifts, I'm from heart. If I'm going to get your child a gift, I'm going to get your child a gift. But when it comes to adults, if you ain't give me no gift, I ain't give you no gift.
Yeah, you immature. But thank you for your immature card.
All right, so it's definitely the holiday season. You have a lot of people that make sure that they're coupled up between November and Valentine's Day so that they're one, not lonely, and the dolls can't buy you a gift. So they want to get gifts so they can be able to share them online, social media, and basically show people that someone cares about them too. Now, how do you find out if they're genuine or not? I guess you'll see in a couple of months after Valentine's Day is over and once it starts to warm up a bit. Today's clip comes from the Young Jock Morning Show. Take a second to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Click the notification bell for all updates. If you're new, include new subscriber in your comment below. I'm going to try my best to respond to all of you. Let's get into it.
Good morning. This is Lakia.
Lakia, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
We're good. How can we help you?
So I've been dating this guy named Lamar for about a month now. And a few days ago, we actually had a conversation about Christmas and gifts. So I just simply asked him, did he plan on getting me a gift so I could prepare myself? And he just got an attitude. And ever since then, it's like he's been ghosting me.
So why did you ask him that?
Well, I just asked because, A, Christmas is right around the corner, and I don't want to get him a gift if he didn't plan on getting me a gift.
See, that's where you messed up.
So I was just putting it out there since we are getting to know each other so he knows what I expect.
Well, our gift's supposed to come from your heart, though.
Exactly.
You got to be in the spirit of Christmas to even do that. Some people might not gift people for Christmas. They might be birthday people, you know?
Well, that was exactly why I was asking him. I mean, he had the right to tell me yes or no. I mean, he did say, he didn't feel like it was time for us to get gifts, but he's been super generous on all of our dates. So I just thought naturally, a Christmas gift
We'll
would
take the generosity.
There's a such thing as cause and effect. There's a reason you're asking him if he planned on getting you something, right? You didn't plan on getting him a gift, correct?
I actually was planning on getting him a gift because if I ask for something, I believe I should be able to reciprocate it. But I'm definitely not going to get him a gift if he's not going to get me one.
I kind of see the angle where this is going to go. We just got to get him on the phone. What's his name?
His name is Lamar.
Lamar. Okay. You just want to know what's going on, or you want to get back with him? You want to continue to see him?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to lose him over something so petty as a gift. I mean, Valentine's Day is not too far away. Maybe we could just skip this holiday and make up for it on the next one.
So one thing that stuck out to me is that she came to him about whether or not he was going to give her a gift for Christmas so that he knew what she expected in a relationship since they're just now getting to know each other. She's wanting him to know that she's going to expect gifts from him. And although they're just getting to know each other, she's saying that she's going to start right now so that he knows her standards. And that's why men, they should never feel some type of way about having their standards, because you better believe these women, they will have standards for you.
So I was just putting it out there since we are getting to know each other so he knows what I expect.
I don't know, but it sounds like you're just getting to meet somebody. You don't really know them. It can definitely rub people the wrong way. If he's going to get you something, he's going to get you something. If you're going to get him something, you're going to get him something. Neither really expecting anything in return and sincerely just coming from a genuine place. Well, at least that's the way it's supposed to be.
A young lady called us about you, bro. And she said some good things about you, but then she was conflicted. She was conflicted upon some things. Are you familiar with
Lakia?
Yeah, Lakia, yeah.
Yeah? What happened with you and Lakia? Just be honest.
She asked me about some Christmas gifts, but we just started talking. And I didn't think you asked for gifts. I thought you just get them.
Wait, so she asked you for a gift, or did she ask you, are you going to gift her?
She asked me, was I going to buy one?
Okay.
And I'm like, we asked now?
Okay, so you felt like she was overstepping her boundary. What was your feeling when she asked you that?
Like, we just started dating, and then you asked for it. I don't know nobody who asked for gifts. That means that sounds like you expecting something. And she wasn't expecting it from me.
Oh, wow. Even though she wanted to also get you a gift in exchange for a gift. She wanted to exchange gifts with you.
Yeah, that's cool, but you don't ask.
You're right.
If I asked her for some sex, it would have been a different story, right?
Oh, so you ain't got none
Snapped
yet?
off. No, we just started dating.
Alright, so there's Lamar's side of the story. Sounds like they just started dating, and basically she's tripping for already expecting a gift. And some strangers, they buy gifts for people they don't know, but Lamar, he's saying he's not the one. According to Lamar, they haven't even done anything yet, so he's like, why are you asking me for a gift? Honestly, I bet they just started talking maybe around December 1st, the beginning of the month, and she wanted to make sure that she had somebody in place to be her Christmas boo that she can exchange gifts with. You know, a man, he's not necessary any other time of the year. But like I was saying before, those dolls can't buy you a gift. And a gift from your friends, it doesn't hold the same weight as a gift from a man. They all know that, no matter how strong and independent they are the rest of the year, they understand that point.
Well, we just wanted to let it be known that we understand, you know, how you feel. And the reason you're on the phone this morning is because we wanted to talk to you with her because she's actually on the phone.
So, Lamar, I just wanted to apologize if you took me getting clarification on a holiday gift exchange the wrong way. Me asking you were you going to get me something wasn't me demanding you to do it. I just wanted to know if I should get you something. I didn't want to look like the crazy girl giving you a gift on Christmas and you had no intentions of me getting one. And it's not even about you, a tit-for-tat thing. It's just, you know, setting realistic expectations.
If you would have got me a gift, did it matter that I got you one? I thought it was the art of giving, not receiving. So you asked me straight off top, we just started dating. Now, if I asked you for a piece of it would have been a difference, right?
Actually, no. I believe honesty is the best policy. And if that's all you want from me, you could have let it be known from day one. Now, all of a sudden, after you wine and dine me for 30 days, I asked you for a little gift, and you got your drawers all in a bunch.
You just got the gift for the 30 days getting dated on. Come on now.
Crazy, but
You ain't paid for none of them dates. So you got 30 days worth of gifts. Now you want 31, it ain't 31.
I'm holding up something right now.
what
You know what it is? Red flag. Get out of there! Get out of there, Lamar!
that's from a woman.
Uh-oh, you know it's bad when your modern woman boss chick is calling you out. Miss Shanika, she's saying she sees red flags. I will say this though. I think he just might have a Christmas chameleon on his hands. That's the woman buttering you up throughout the holiday season. Remember that time between Thanksgiving and Valentine's Day trying to make sure that she has somebody on deck to give her a gift? And it looks like Miss Shanika, she can smell the Christmas chameleon too.
I'm gonna go ahead and ask this question because she called for a reason. She felt like, you know, you were a good catch. She feels as if she's a good catch. And apparently she didn't want to just let you go, bro. So what's it gonna be? She asked you if you were gonna get her a gift. Let's be adults about it.
Go out again because from this, I know she know how I am now and I know how she is now.
That's what's up, man. But I want to ask you a question before she say anything.
Mm-hmm.
Did you plan on getting her a gift?
No.
I want to know. Where's your head at, Lakia?
Just like Lamar just said, now I know how he is. Now he knows how I am. I'm accustomed to a certain way. And if I like gifts, if that's my love language, I'm just letting it be known in the beginning so he can take his choice.
Oh, nah. See, we gonna cut this short right here. I don't even want another day. She just said that's what she expected.
Ooh.
Hey, Lamar, you can't stop the rain.
You know, I'm really not surprised here. And that's another one of those city girls chameleon tactics. They tell you that gift giving is their love language. So they want to receive presents from you, and that's how they want to be loved, by getting your presents. I see a lot of modern women saying that these days. They try to sweeten it up by calling it a love language, but that's just another tactic. At first, she was saying that she was only asking that question to see if he was going to give her one or not, and it really wasn't a big deal, but you saw how she changed up by the end of that conversation. Basically, you are required to give her a gift. It doesn't matter if you just met her or not. And the truth is this, if she genuinely wanted to give him a gift, she would have just gave him a gift. The whole asking for a gift, I can understand how that could turn people off. But hey, let's go ahead and get the conversation started below in the comments. Who do you think is the problem here? Is it Lakia or Lamar? Special shout out to Felix. He says he loves when I talk about these chameleon topics because he was dealing with a chameleon who only behaved a certain way in order to get the ring, and after he married her, her true colors came out. And you know, I always talk about these topics. one of my very first videos here. So I definitely want to say happy holidays to everyone who's been supporting Pink Book Lessons all year long. Everybody that's always showing their support. I certainly appreciate every last one of you. Also, I want to give a shout out to Y Cochran, Micah, and James B. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel as well. Links to Cash App and PayPal are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.